Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TD Bank app, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the TD Bank app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, tap to open the app. If you're a new user, tap on Register to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, such as your name and social security number. Set up your user ID and password. After registration, return to the login screen. Enter your user ID and password in the respective fields. If you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for smooth authentication. After logging in, you may need to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Enter the verification code in the app when prompted. Once verified, you'll gain access to your account. Consider enabling biometric authentication for quicker access in the future. You can do this by going to the Settings menu within the app. Choose either fingerprint or facial recognition, based on your device capabilities. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the biometric setup. Now, you are ready to manage your banking needs with the TD Bank app. Remember to log out after each session for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.